Welcome back programmers. In the today's section I am going to show you the mysterious and amazing pythonchallenge.com website. This website contains 33 levels. Each level contains a mysterious puzzles and riddles. Now if you like to watch a detective and the mysterious movies such as Zodiac, or if you like to solve the mystery, or if you are interested in the Cicada 3301, this website is gonna amaze you. So in this website you will get a lots of mysterious and amazing puzzles and riddles in each levels. Now if you are a programmer or a web designer, you will solve these levels easily. So in the today's section, I am going to try to solve all of the levels. And if you wanna learn more about this website, you can just go in the about section. But if you don't find the solution, just click on the solution button. In here you will find all of these solutions. Believe me, I didn't check a single solution. I am going to try with my own mind, and I am going to try to solve this 33 challenge by myself. So let's begin. And the first of all, I gotta say it's really amazing whoever made this website. Okay, so let's first focus on this homepage. So I think this is homepage and these are the images. As you can see when I click here, it changed its transactions. Okay, so first of all, let's click Control A. So you will find all of this text. As you can see, this text were invisible before. As you can see, this text, as you can see, this is the invisible text, but when I select all text, as you can see, we can appear this text here. Okay, so let's start the challenge. First of all, to start the challenge, you have to click here to get challenge. Let's try. Okay, this is I think old TV, and I think this is the image, and 0 is not the different part of the image, it content with this image. As you can see, 0 is here. So in the hint, as you can see, we got try to change the URL. So I know this trick because I used it in my website. So I think let's try to change the 0 to 238. Okay. Okay, so we got no, the 38 is little bit above the 2. It means I think it's square. I think it's square. Let's try this again. Okay, so 2 power of 38. Yes, I think this is it. So let's try to find 2 power of 38. So 2 power of 38 is this number 274877906944. Okay, so let's enter this website. As you can see, it worked. My URL, it worked. Okay, now we got some map.html. Okay, in here general tips, use the hint. They are helpful most of the time. Investigate the data given to you. Avoid looking for spoilers. Let's try to select all of this stuff. As you can see, we got nothing else. Okay, so let's focus on this. So there's an image which contains the three code, which is nothing but the K equal to M, O equal to Q, and E equal to G. Everybody think twice before solving this. Okay, so in here we got some kind of code, and we have to decode with the use of these 6 keys. So let's try to decode this code with the use of these keys. And I think this is the first level because as you can see, we got first in here. Now to solve this code, you can use the Python code. I'm gonna show you how. Notice that there exactly on one character between the given pairs K, L, M, O, P, Q, E, F, G, and look at the very first letter in the text G. If this is English, a good guess is that G is actually I. What is the distance from G to I? So ABCDF G H I. It means it will skip one character. Okay? Yes. So G H I. So let's shift each character to the right by 2 and Y back to A, Z back to B. Now to complete this algorithm in the Python, I use the string. So this is the line. This is my code. which I want to solve, and I stored it in my line. Now table equal to my line dot make trans. Make trans is an inbuilt function. For example, A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 2, because we are skipping two characters. So C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z A B. So for A it's C, for B it's D, and so on. So now in here you can use your own logic, you can create your own code with the use of this make trans. But in here I use this logic and I just use the make line dot translate table, which is nothing but this table, and I used it and I got the output, which is this. I hope you didn't translate it by hand. That's what computers are for. Doing it in by hand is inefficient, and that's why this text is too long. Using string.maketrans is recommended. Now apply on the URL. So with the use of this first level, we learned that using the string.maketrans, which is the inbuilt Python function, we can solve this code, and then we got this line. Now in here, where is the URL? Where what to put in the URL? Now as hinted, apply the same function on the URL map. We got OCR. Because if you put map in this line, you will get this OCR. Just try it. Now map was hinted in here. So let's change the URL with map to OCR. Let's see what we get. As you can see, we got the another riddles. So this is second level. Recognize the character. Maybe there are in the book, but maybe they are in the page source. As you can see, the riddle is recognize the character from this page, from this book, but maybe there are in the page source, and maybe there are in the book. So first thing I'm gonna try is Control A. So okay, there are not any other characters. Okay, so let's try to inspect this page. As you can see, this is, I think, the code for this page, which is the source code. So now, because this is the Python challenge, I am going to grab all of this page information using the Python. So let's try to do that. In here, I am going to create a function to get all of this information about the page. So after getting all of the information in the HTML, as you can see, we got this HTML head and all of this data from HTML. And after 10 to 15 minutes, I got this equality. So let's try if it is working or not. I didn't try it. Okay, so I'm gonna change the OCR to equality. Holy, it worked. So basically in here I didn't do anything. First of all, I got all of the data from the HTML response. As you can see, get source and print source. So basically I am printing all of this data, which is nothing but the HTML code and all of the other data. So I used the dot join character for character in input string, which is nothing but the HTML data, and I removed all of this stuff. As you can see, these and all of the other tags and whatever. And then finally I got this equality word, and if we put it in here, it will work. Okay, so this is the third puzzle. Okay, one smaller letter surrounded by exactly three big bodyguard on each of its sides. One smaller letter surrounded by exactly three big bodyguards on each of its side. So the image shows three big candles on each side of a small one, and the description hint us to find letter. So open the page source, we see a comment block at the bottom of the page. So let's try it, inspect, and so this is that code which is too much big. As you can see, this is the commented code. This, let's find some pattern in here.